Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are gonna be unboxing the Gen 11 magnetic. So yeah, let's get right into the video. Also, this is my third Gen cube. I have the Pyramex Gen, the RS 356 Gen, and this is the Gen 11 magnetic. So yeah, let's open it. How do I open this? So like in the last video with not the last video, the video where I unboxing, where I was unboxing the Yusu version 2 4x4. I suck at unboxing. I think I ruined a little bit of the box. Yeah, that doesn't matter because I suck at yeah, that's more like it. Satisfying moment. Isn't this satisfying? Yeah, whatever. Let's open this. Open. Okay, yeah, this is, yeah, no, thank you. Okay, so what's in this box? If I'm not wrong, I think this is where oh, wait. Oh yeah, here there's a screw, and yeah, it hasn't it hasn't changed in like years, this thing. And oh my goodness, oh my damn, it's the bag. Oh cool, now I finally have a again bag. Oh my god. Okay, and finally what you've been all waiting for, the cube. How do I open? How do I open this? Oh. Okay, so I figured out how to open this. You need to push here and then open it. Okay, wow, this looks so good. Wait, let me move the camera. Let me move the, oh, yeah, that's much better. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Wow, this looks so cool. Oh yeah. Let's do a couple of turns later. This cube is so freaking good. I can't. Yeah, I totally recommend this cube. I actually totally recommend this cube. It's so good. Like, and the magnets. They're so good. Even the magnets, like, wow. I'm impressed by this cube. I'm actually impressed by it. Yeah, so that's gonna be our today's video. So yeah, see you in the next video. Bye.